Hello guys, Megan, your friend Scott or Mr. CMT, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I wasn't supposed to be vlogging right now because I was just giving myself a break, but 2 weeks ago, I got something in the mail. Actually, this is what I have been waiting for because not all of you know that I am kind of addicted to nicotine. It's not just bad for your health. First of all, we all know that smoking is carcinogenic. It can actually cause cancer, lung cancer, and I've known a lot of people who actually suffered and died of lung cancer, and it wasn't really good. You know, the reason why I don't want to vape or I want to stop vaping, it's because one, it's because of the money. That's $20. Okay, $20 for 2 pods for a week, and that costs around a grand a year. The second one, it's the nicotine addiction. That is really bad for your health, especially for your mental health, because every time I try to look for my vape and I can't find it, I really get so annoyed by even the slightest thing or even the smallest thing that I see or something that really irritates me. And I don't like myself when it comes to, getting annoyed over small things. So it actually affects your mental health, and that's one part of the nicotine that I don't like. And then the third one, which is really what gave me the idea of quitting, it's because every time I ran out of my nicotine load, I had to buy one from the convenience stores, and it wasn't safe for me to go out, especially during pandemic. Now that Los Angeles is the epicenter of COVID-19 here in the US, it was kind of scary, and I don't want to go out anymore, especially at night, just to get my nicotine load. So that really scared me a lot, and I don't want to do that, and I don't want to put myself or my family in danger just because of my nicotine addiction. And that is the reason why we are going to talk about QuitGo. It's an inhaler, and it says here that it's safe and effective for craving relief, and that is what I need. And it says here, when I open the box, it says here that it's nicotine free, of course, and then this helps stop smoking, or it stops smoking aid. It is smokeless and vaporless inhaler with a soft tip. And they send me a menthol, which is I really like. And the other one is the QuitGo Fresh Mint. I don't know if I'm going to like it, but I'm going to show you something what I really like about this product, okay? Let's open now the Fresh Mint. The box says, simple, satisfying, and fast craving relief. Okay, this is the inhaler. It's sealed. Yeah, it's the manual and or the product guide. So if you're going to read it, it says here like start using QuitGo and yada yada yada, everything about quitting. And they're giving you 5% or $5 off the next time you want to buy or purchase a QuitGo product. And by the way, guys, one thing I like about this is that it's about like $18 if you're going to purchase one pack, but it lasts for 4 weeks, and that's one good thing about it. So compared to what, like $100 that I normally spend for the the pods of the vape that I am using, and that is a big savings. Like, okay, let's open it. There you go. It looks like a cigarette. Okay, it looks like a cigarette. It doesn't have battery. It doesn't have nicotine, and it's kind of sturdy. It looks like it's plasticky. And this one is the part that I really like because it's chewable. Like you can chew on it. Yeah, chew on it. And if you're like having anxiety or panic attack and you don't know what to do, sometimes all you have to do is just to grab your QuitGo and chew on it. It's vaporless. It doesn't need battery. The flavor is actually very subtle. It's not intense, and I just wish that they make it more intense because sometimes when you are quitting, you have to get that same old taste that satisfies you when you are using certain products like cigarettes or for me, for my vape. And I like the taste of menthol or the fresh mint. So I wish that they make it more intense. I am giving it a try because I want to commit on quitting vaping so I can save a lot of money, and that's what I really want, just to save money and just to get rid of that cookiness sometimes when I am actually looking for or craving for my nicotine load. What you get from it, it's just the satisfaction of you puffing. Try doing it the whole day and you'll notice that you actually stop smoking or vaping because you just put something in your mouth. Sometimes there is those people who smokes or those people who vape, they just want to put something in their mouth. That's the reason why every time I try to quit smoking or vaping, I eat a lot. And this actually helps. It regulates everything, the nicotine load or the nicotine addiction. Although it doesn't have nicotine, it says nicotine free, it's still good because I have something in my mouth and something that will make my mouth busy. Puffing on it even without the smoke or even without the vape, actually it's very satisfying. The craving for nicotine, it got lessened, and it is actually good because that's what I'm trying to do, get rid of my nicotine addiction. This is actually a good way to get rid of smoking or vaping because the nicotine withdrawal, I don't know what they do because it doesn't have nicotine at all, but it actually help you get rid of your nicotine addiction. I don't know. If you have any question about QuitGo and you want to know more about QuitGo, all you need to do is just to go to my description box below and check their link. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you like it. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe by clicking the subscribe button or the Mr. CMT logo. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or a violent reaction about this QuitGo, just put it in the comment section below and I am very much ready to talk about it, okay? So I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Bye for now.